Let's just go over how to turn our keyword outlines into a paragraph. And we're going to turn it into a paragraph. This is the symbol for paragraph, using who and which clauses. Remember that your who and which clauses need to have commas on either end, unless they come at the end of a sentence, at which point they need a comma before and a period at the end. So when we're writing, we want to combine these two sentences, or these two sentences using who or which. Who is for people, which is for things. So if I want to talk about the most venomous jellyfish, maybe we could say that the sea wasp, which is the most venomous jellyfish, has a poisoning ability greater than a snake. Here I used a which, the sea wasp, comma, which, because it's not a who I'm talking about, it's a thing, it's this jellyfish, which is the most venomous jellyfish. What do I need after that? Oh, comma. Is more poisonous than any snake. Period. Notice I use a who which clause here. Whoops. There we go. Which is the most venomous jellyfish. It came right after the thing I'm talking about. It has commas that offset it. Right in before, right after. And notice here what I did. I turned poisoning ability into this phrase right here that's a little bit different. Is more poisonous than. You don't have to use every word in your outline. You just want to get the general idea across. Has a poisoning ability greater than a snake is the same thing as saying is more poisonous than any snake. You're going to do this for this paragraph, so you should end up with 4 sentences out of these 8 on your outline. And you're going to be doing it for your paragraph this evening. Remember to double space, skipping every other line when we write our paragraph. Remember to continue your paragraph on the same line as your first sentence started. So maybe I have the period. I'm not going to skip down. I'm going to keep going. I'm going to start with a capital letter. It searches the beach. Skip this line for shrimp, which it wants to eat. Comma, period. Skip a line. Next sentence. Okay, so you got the general idea. Remember again that if I make a mistake, I want to cross it out and write the correction. I do not want to erase or scribble. All right, bravo. I will see you in class tomorrow.